The faucet extension proves to be extremely practical in both the bathroom and the kitchen, making it the ideal choice for various purposes, such as washing up or complete personal care. An excellent choice for washing dishes in the sink or for complete maintenance in the bathroom. You have the option to choose between a gentle shower jet or a liquid jet, giving you two effective ways to drain water. The faucet extender is designed to save water by regulating water pressure and preventing waste, making it a practical and cost-effective solution. It's effortless to use. All you have to do is unscrew the existing aerator from your faucet and replace it with this useful and economical extension. With a 1080 degrees rotation function, you can easily adjust the faucet extension to your needs, e.g. For example, you can tilt it up for convenient facial cleansing or flip it over for a quick rinse, making it a versatile addition to your sink. Optimize your daily routine and save water at the same time. The faucet extender is an excellent addition to your kitchen or bathroom sink, making your daily tasks more efficient and environmentally friendly.